Azure Advisor is a very useful tool and an objective in our AZ900 course. Azure Advisor is going to provide personalized recommendations to help improve the cost effectiveness, performance, reliability, and security of any Azure deployments by analyzing your resource configuration and using telemetry. It acts as a digital consultant, offering actionable suggestions for following best practices to optimize your Azure environment. Azure Advisor also assists with cost. And in these particular areas, Azure is going to be very helpful to make sure that you don't end up with bills that are much higher than you expect. So focus on these areas for the AZ900. Azure Advisor is going to recommend opportunities to reduce your Azure spending. It's also going to identify potential vulnerabilities as well as threats. And it looks to improve performance by suggesting ways to increase the speed and responsiveness of your applications. It also adds reliability by providing guidance to improve the availability and continuity of your services for managing and optimizing your overall cloud operations. Let's go ahead and choose Advisor from the list that you see under Services, or just go ahead and type Advisor and select it. Now take a look at these different areas. The 5 areas I just talked about: cost, security, reliability, operational excellence, and performance. We can choose any one of these where it says we can make things better. So for instance, under cost, it says we're doing the best job that is possible for making sure that we maintain the proper costs. But let's take a look at security. Here we can see that there are some recommendations, and some of them are high impact, as you see here. So I need to enable Defender for Cloud in order to go ahead and resolve with this recommendation. Then we have there should be more than one owner assigned to a subscription. And Azure Resource Manager deployments should have secret findings resolved. I'm going to choose the more than one assigned owner. I'll go ahead and select that. And that's a good idea just in case some password's been forgotten, multi-factor authentication doesn't work right. You need to have an additional owner as well. So here it shows me how to remediate this issue. I can go ahead and go to the Add Role Assignment pane. I can go to the drop-down list, to the owners, and select an additional owner. So I'm going to go back to the home page. Next, I'm going to go into subscriptions. You can also do a search for that if you don't see it. Click on Azure Subscription. And then I'm going to go to where it says Access Control. Now I want to grant access to this resource. So I'll add the role assignment. And I'll choose owner in the list. And there's lots of different owners that you can see here. I'll scroll down to the sites owner, for example. Click Next. I'll choose the members. And select. And review and assign. I suggest going through all the different areas where there's suggestions to increase your security, reliability, cost, all 5 of those different areas. Advisor is just one of the many tools used by Azure to make sure you have the best experience at the best price, and is an objective for your AZ900 exam.